Hi, my name is Alicia Martin, and I live in the central Pennsylvania area. And as far as work experience, I have been spending the past 10 years working as the Director of Social Services at skilled nursing facilities and rehabs. And then prior to that, I worked at group homes with adults with intellectual disabilities, along with adults with mental illness as either their program director or their program specialist. And because of these two areas that I've chosen to work, I feel it's very important to advocate for underserved and vulnerable adults. And then, as it concerns me returning to um, college in the online MSW program, I can say that I am very anxious, being that it is an online program and this is something that is new to me. But I can say that I am super excited in the avenue that this opportunity will allow me to take the next steps that I have in my career as it pertains to serving these particular populations. So thank you.